Hi.
It's me, Malcolm. Oh, that's lighted.
Just fixing the camera. There we go. Okay. So, it's another episode of Slime Making with Malcolm and Mama.
Oh no, I get food coloring.
Okay, it's all here. Mommy's got it. This. Glue. Here's the food coloring. Blue. Green. Red. Yellow. Won't go into details on this video, but Malcolm had a little accident yesterday and we spent the last 16 hours at Emerge, and we've just been home for the last few hours, so that's why I'm completely exhausted, because I didn't sleep last night. Okay, you ready to do number 1? And he's, as usual, got his little video going on the side. Ready?
No, not yet. We need to...
First, we're going to put the glue, then we got to put the baking soda. Baking soda. We got Ziploc bags today, proper bags. Okay. I'll put the spoon down while you open it. Good job. Got it. Here, I'm just gonna pull your sleeve back just a little bit. Careful now.
What is it?
Oh, that's pretty in red. Looks like candy. Let's see.
Yeah, like men.
Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, should we make it solid? I think this one's almost empty.
Sparkly.
Want to do sparkles? I forgot to grab them. I gotta go get them, okay? Wait for Mom and I'll get it. You stay here and talk to the video. Mom will get the sparkles.
Shows. Whoa.
Kind of thinking we might forget about the sparkles, but apparently not. Okay, here's our sparkles. Okay, what color should we do? The red. How about this one? Shake it in. Shake, shake, shake it. Shake the bottle like pepper. Don't take the whole lid off. No, don't do that either. Just shake it. There you go. Good job. Okay, should we add some of this? This is our activator. This bottle's empty now, so we might need to open this new one. And our activator is just contact lens solution. Not sure how the science all works, but it works. Okay, let's give it a stir. Ooh, it's looking pretty gooky. I just realized something. We gotta move this paper. We were doing painting at a different time. Hang on a sec, I gotta move this because we can't use the table with this in the way. It's from an earlier painting project. There we go. Because we gotta be able to put it out onto the table, don't we? Here, let's get a little more in there. Mom's gonna open this up. Ready? Okay. Oh, that's really far away. Hang on. And it's not ready yet. Hang on now. Malcolm, you gotta let Mom do this part, okay? We're making a mess now. Hang on. We took it out too soon. We gotta make sure it's one big lump before we dump it onto the table, okay? See how it's not sticking yet. There you go. This over here with the red. I made a bit of a mess of this one. It needs more activator. Didn't really get mixed all the way. And Malcolm dumped it out. You gonna stay with Mom? Where you going, honey? Oh, look at that. That's getting squishy now. What do you got there? Okay. There's our red slime. Showing them some of your toys.
Red.
And you can go like this. You can make a little circle. Make a little rose. Okay, let's put it in one of our bags. We can go, actually I'll get a little bit more of the red out. I'm going to move ahead to one of our other colors. Just going to try and get a bit more off the bowl so that the next color isn't contaminated. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can plop this stuff that's stuck to the table over here back into the main one. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put it in the bag. All right, we'll do that next. There's one down.
Apple slide.
Okay, honey.
Apple slide.
You gonna help me? I'm gonna put this glue in. I need someone to help with stirring. Let's put a little bit of baking soda. There you go.
I need some green.
Okay. Let go of this until you open that. Good job. Give it to Mom. That doesn't need to go in. We'll just show them the box though.
Green slime.
Good job. Let's give it a bit more of a stir here. This is a nice bright green color. Sorry for shaking the thing. All right.
That's some
Get some
glue.
sparkles.
Green. Bubs to it.
Okay. Green sparkles. Shake, 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 shake. Shake our sparkles. All right, should we give it a squirt? Let's try that. Let's see. We're taking it from ooey gooey to hopefully all put together. Are you gonna help me with this video?
No hitting.
Yeah, let's be nice to Mom. Gentle.
Goodness. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
No.
I'm sure you are getting hungry. Oh, this is really sticky, this one. I don't know why this one is so gooey. Okay. And there is our green. Stretch it out and show everyone. should do cloud slime one of these days. You want to squish it? It's a nice squishy one. Here. Need a towel? Want to put this one in a bag and do our next color? Good job. Thanks, Malcolm. Doesn't like touching it that
Pineapple slime.
much. Okay, let's do our next
It's
color.
Bobby's do it.
Okay, honey. I'll do it. He's a little subdued today because he only slept about maybe 3 or 4 hours at the best here at the hospital. It's really hard for him to sleep. They finally let us take him home.
Mixie bum.
It was a rough go. Okay, put this in. I can mix it. Want to get your food coloring? What color? Pineapple. This is liquid Elmer's glue, and no, not all brands of glue are alike. Okay, go ahead, honey. We've discovered. Here. Wipe it on your. You can wipe it on here, not your pants. Wipe it on your smock.
Oh,
very nice.
This is slime. This is just yellow slime.
There we go. Nice job, Mal. Pretty color. Okay, I'm going to use some slime activator. Giving it a good stir, getting it all into one lump. Sorry, we're shaking the camera around. Oop. All right, I think we can get it out onto the counter here now. Give it a couple good squishes with our spoon. Set that aside, and then the last thing you want to do is just make sure it's really incorporated and just knead it like dough. You want to do brown this time? Make it look like chocolate ice cream slime. So there's our yellow slime. Squish, squish, squish. Okay. Pass me a bag. Pass me a bag. Thank you, Malcolm. Okay.
It's green.
Last one.
Red and green.
Okay. Let's put the glue in. Glug, glug, glug. You want to come help me? Help Mom. Okay. Stir, stir, stir. So happy we got to go home from the hospital. Mixing, mixing. Here, you put the green in while Mommy mixes this part. Okay, I know you want to do the color mix. Just put this down and then you can have it back.
Green.
Okay.
And
Red. Okay. Here.
This is
Oh, I see brown. It's looking brown. This is what Malcolm likes to call
brown
ice
like a
cream
man.
slime. Yeah.
Brown like a man.
I see the brown like a man.
Brown like a man.
Brown like a man.
Brown slime.
Brown slime. Ice cream slime. And that's really what it looks like. It looks like chocolate ice cream when he mixes the colors together like that. All right. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sparkles. Put some brown sparkles in, Malcolm.
It's Malcolm's foot.
Okay. Go ahead. Shake it in. Good job. Pretty. Yep. Let's put that in next. Oh, not on the... Malcolm, it didn't get in the bowl. You squirted it on the table. I'll try again. Squirt it in the bowl. Okay, let's try again. Final mix. This is where you get super goopy looking consistency here. Oh yeah, that's the goopy one. You want to help me finish now? We're almost done. This is our last color. You want to help me out? I'm tired. Here. And the last one. Look at that. Gooey, gooey. Oh, look, it's sticking together now. Good. All right, let's get this out on the table for our last one, which is our chocolate ice cream slime. Oh. Enough. And just like dough, we're going to knead it together and make sure all of our activator is mixed in well with our other ingredients before we put it in a storage container or bag. This one always reminds me of a placenta. Sorry. See, you get my drift. But we won't say that. It's our ice cream slime right now. Here, want me to help you? Okay, that's it. There's all our colors done. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Share to your best buddy.
See you next time. I'll let you stop the video. Go ahead. That's okay.